Plug the repeater into power and wait until Wi-Fi LED light starts blinking. Using your computer, smartphone or tablet, open the internet browser and then connect to wireless N network. After a few seconds, a pop-up window will appear. Click Submit to proceed. Next, select Wizard. Then Wireless Repeater Mode, then click Next. The repeater will now start scanning for all available wireless networks. This may take up to 30 seconds. When the repeater is finished scanning, select your network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password and click Apply. Please make sure your Wi-Fi password does not contain special characters, as they are not supported by the repeater. After progress reaches 100%, you will shortly see a new wireless network. It will have the same name as your normal network, but with added _ext. You can connect to this new network by entering your usual Wi-Fi password. You can also connect the repeater to your computer using Ethernet cable. Wifi DuoBoost is now ready to use.